The 2024 Rocky Trail Superflow series wrapped up this weekend at Silvan MTB Park. I committed to the full 2024 season after entering my first ever Superflow race here last year. With Saturday hot and dusty and Sunday threatening rain, the trailhead riders, Chris, Dan, Luke, Reefy and I opted to race Saturday. I went into this final race sitting third overall in the series. Reefy had first locked up and was riding injured this weekend. Kevin Walsh, my Bronson brother, was sitting in second place and leading by 20 points. To take second, I needed to lead Kevin on the podium or finish 3 spots ahead. Our first runs were our best, starting with Temple of Zoom. On my second run, I tried some new lines but made a few mistakes, leaving my first time as my fastest. Before diving into my race runs, make sure you check out Sportilium.com, your guide for trail insights, parking and shuttle info, and high quality trail videos. Crush every line with Sportilium.com. Phew.
Alright.
You already got your helmet off. That's not good.
Or did you come back straight after me?
Soon after.
Yeah.
Straight line there. Oh shit! What the hell's going on? Whoa! That was shit. Racing today?
Yeah.
Awesome.
First time races, buddy.
Yeah. Nice. It's good format, this, isn't it? Have you done, which trails have you done? Any yet, or you just? Yeah. What's your first one going to be? Lazer. Oh, the left one. Yeah, we just did that one, so it's running good. But we're about to do. What are we doing next? Baker's Delight. Like your gloves. Yeah. Under 13s. You're all under 13.
15s.
Under 15. Nice.
You got Sam, Eddie, and Will.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, boys.
Are we in the video?
You are now. This guy's on YouTube too, you know.
Is he?
Bike and car fanatic.
Oh,
Yeah. Hey, you'll know Dan from all my videos. He's always in my videos. Yeah, he's the best. Yeah.
I'm the one with all the followers. I always go first.
Yeah, that's right. They don't watch it for me, they watch it for you. Next up was Baker's Delight, where I followed Chris, who had snagged a KOM earlier in the week. But the dust was brutal, and despite 2 more runs, which included an OTB, my first time stood.
This is the song that the teenagers called me retro to. My feelings were not
That's
right.
song of our youth.
Apparently it's now gone full circle that it's
It's cool again, yeah.
Yeah, I know. Blink 182 and everything is now retro. It hurt my
Okay, Chris.
feelings.
Ooh, dusty. Ew. Oh, can't see anything. Oh, you alright?
Yeah, all good.
Oh. Dirt map. Oh no, that wasn't you. Did you see Chris?
Yeah, you can see.
You have a dirt nap, Chris?
Oh, mate.
I see this helmet in the ferns. I thought, what's going on?
Did I have a dirt nap? I had a bloody flying backflip.
Oh shit.
Massive pill shot.
Oh.
Stay on. Hey? Stay on. No.
No. I see this helmet in the bracken. I'm thinking, what the?
I must have landed in the most softest grass ever. I actually don't think I actually touched the ground. I just went in the cushion. And the bike hit rolled on top of me. I couldn't get up.
I just saw your helmet in a bush. I thought, oh, someone's taking pictures.
Who's Dan?
I've never ridden that before. Like, I think they only make it to this.
Maybe that was him up the top there.
Oh, there's someone else.
I did see someone on the side of the track. Oh, I'll start that again. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Just doing a bit of gardening. Lastly, downhill. My first time was fastest despite a sketchy slip where I barely recovered. I thought I saw my life flash before my eyes. Turns out it was just Marcus taking a picture. Dust from the previous chase down Baker's Delight ruined my GoPro footage, so I'm showing you my third but slower run. Oh, there you go. Woo. I fucking lost it just where Marcus was taking photos. I reckon he's got a good shot of me with a shitting myself. The flash went off just as I went, whoa! Oh, what happened? Oh, what was that? Ah, shit. Hit my foot. Mess up there. It's killing me. Whoa. Shit. Shit. Smashed my toe.
That felt kind of right. The fact I held that first corner and Dan went off, I think I was carrying a bit of speed.
That was a good run compared to the others. Hey!
Oh yeah! Alright, see you boys tomorrow. Are you coming back around?
Yeah, bring beer. Bring beer.
Are you coming back tomorrow? Thanks for the stoke. Thanks for the memories. Interesting day.
By the end of day one, I was sitting in 4th with Kevin 15 seconds behind in 5th. Not enough for me to take 2nd in the series. Day 2 was all about watching the radar and times. I needed 2 riders to slot between Kevin and me to claim 2nd overall. In the end, Rick Thorpe edged Kevin by 1.3 seconds. Nick Martin had me sweating, but he couldn't close my 3-second lead. That was enough for me to seal 2nd place in the series.
Grandmaster.
Kevin Walsh.
Hey, bad luck, Kevin.
Second place.
Yay!
First place. Michael Leafman.
Congratulations, a silver medal bag.
Woo!
Well done, gold medal bag.
Look at that.
Congratulations.
I hope you enjoyed watching the race series as much as I've enjoyed competing in them. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and check out Sportilium.com. Crush every line.